Mayor Richard M. Daley.
This is according to the alert system. The alert.
We are back with new reports. Urgent news for the Alaskan region. New virus released from Alaskan research station. Protest all around the world. Urgenting Thunder Science to close down.
This is the emergency broadcast system.
In effect, till further notice. Due to mass roids and frequent power outage.
There's no emergency. We will reschedule programs.
Los destrozos que se está generando, tenemos una pérdida aproximadamente de 2.000 millones en producción y aproximadamente 3.000 millones de daños a la infraestructura.
Gobierno de México.
Este es el sistema de transmisión de emergencia que el gobierno ha anunciado para anunciar la ley marcial. Trueno, la ciencia ha sido traspasada y varias criaturas han escapado. Debes evitarlos a toda costa. Los militares y la policía están abrumados por la cantidad de casos que aparecen en todo el país. Tener armas como pistolas o cuchillos durante el transporte. ¡Viva México! ¡Viva México!
New viral video in the United States.
A lot of people breaching Thunder Science, demanding a vaccine for the new virus, not knowing that this made more than 100 animal-like beings to escape. The military will do sweeps around populated areas. Seeing anyone outside will be shot and killed on sight.
But the new virus had made Mexico and the government fall. Canada has fallen. But the animal things are very contagious, and anyone can be infected within seconds.
The president has announced that they will be evacuated and other civilians